Hello viewers, welcome to the class for today. Today we want to subtract these fractions. My student will join the class now. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, just joining right now. How are you today?
Good.
Alright, you're welcome. So you said I should solve some of the questions, right?
Yeah, just like the example.
Example, okay. You can start your video. Um I'll solve two categories, like maybe the ones that have the same whatever is common to them. Like if I'm going to solve number one, this is 7 over 10 minus 2 over 5. So the goal is to subtract them. So what am I going to do? I'll compare the denominators. One is bigger than the other. If they are the same thing, I'll just pick one of them, okay? For
Okay.
example, if you have 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9, I'm just going to pick 9, okay? Then I'll add 2 plus 4. And that'll be 6 over 9. Because they are the same thing, okay? But
Okay.
these ones are not the same thing, so I'm going to pick the biggest one because the biggest is the multiple of the smaller one. Otherwise, I would never pick it. For example, if I have something like 7 over 12 plus, um,
Thought we're doing minus.
wait. Yeah, it could be minus. I'm just trying to show you something about the denominators, okay? So let me use minus here. 7 over 12 minus, let's say, 4 over 9. So look at this. You can see that the 12 and the 9, they're not the same thing, so I cannot pick one of them. Then the 12 is not a multiple of 9. I cannot pick 12. So I'll look for the next multiple of 9, of 12. The next multiple of the bigger one, that will be a multiple of the smaller one. What's multiple of 12? That's 24.
36.
So 24 cannot work because it's not a multiple of the smaller one. So we can go for the next one, which is 36. Fortunately, 36 is a multiple of 9, so we can use it. How many 12 goes here? That's 3. 3 times 7 is 21. How many 9 goes here? That's 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm just going to subtract this. You have 5 over what? 36. But coming back to the question we solved, let me just name this 1B, C, 1B and C. So 1B and 1C. So now 10 in 10, that's 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 5 in 10, that's 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. So I'm going to subtract. What's the answer? 3 over 10. Okay.
Okay.
And if you have something like, let's say, 3 over 9, not 3, let me use 5 over 9. 5 over 9 minus 1 over 7. If you look at this, you will discover that they're not the same, and the bigger one is not a multiple of smaller one. And before you can even reach a multiple of 9, that'll be a multiple of 7. That means you're multiplying 9 by 7, which is 63, okay?
Okay.
So any multiple of 9 less than 63 will not be a multiple of 7 because 7 is a prime number, okay? So
Okay.
you've got to multiply. So 9 here, 9 here, 7. 7 times 5 is what? 35. 7 here, 9. 9 times 1 is what? 9. So what's the answer to this one? What is 35 minus 9?
35.
26.
And this minus, that's,
26, right?
oh, that's,
Aisha. 20 what?
26.
26. If you remove 5, that's 30. If you remove 4, that's 26. So, all right. What I'm going to have you to do is to put down the examples, okay? When you finish, you're going to put down you're going to do the classwork. All right, viewers, we'll continue shortly. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Let's look at the solution to this work together. Number 2 says 2 over 3 plus 5 over 9. So
But
the multiple is
wait,
9.
minus.
Oh, I said plus. I've been used to plus. Minus, rather. 5 over 9. So the multiple that we're going to use is 9 because 9 is a multiple of 3. So how many 3 goes in 9? That's 3. 3 times 2, that's 6. Minus. How many 9 goes in 9? That's 1. 1 times 5, that's 5. So the answer is going to be 1 over 9. And that settles number 1. Let's see. Trying to rule this. So number 2, which is number 3. Did you get 1 over 9?
Yeah.
But your 1 over 9
I
is
percent this.
your 1 over 9 is hidden inside a bush, like this, like a
No,
forest.
no, it's up there. It's up there because I misunderstood it, and then I went back to the question, and I was using pen, so I had to scramble it, and then
Exactly.
I wrote it up there,
Exactly. We are
up
saying
there, up there, up there.
exactly. We are saying the same thing. You hid it inside the bush. I'll give you a mark for next time. So make it clearer. So number 5, I mean the number 3 rather. So we have 5 over 8 minus 1 over 10. So the LCM that's going to be common to them is going to be 40 because that's the next multiple of 10. That'll be a multiple of 8. So how many 8 goes in 40? That's 5. 5 times 5 is 25. How many 10 goes in 40? That's 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So this could be 21 over 40. 21 over 40. And I think you got that right. Yeah. Hold on. 21 over 40. So the next one, which is number 4, we have 7 over 10 minus 2 over 5. So the LCM is 10. 10 here 1, 1 times 7. And 5 here 2, 2 times 2. So the answer is 3 over 4. Wait a minute. What did you do? You used 7 over 12. Where did you get 7 over 12? You wrote 7 over 10, but you confused yourself to make it mean 7 over 12. You see, that is where your handwriting comes in. Yeah, you wrote 7 out of 10 quite alright, but that is 0. You wrote it like 2. So the next one, let's see. Number 5, which is number 4. 7 over 9 minus 2 over 5. So the LCM that could work here is 45. 9 here, 5, 5 times 7 is 35. And 5 here, 9, 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 18. So I'm going to say minus 10, that's 25. Then minus 8, that's 17. 5 minus 8. 17 over 45. And that settles that one. Number 6, which is the last question. We have 5 over 7 minus 3 over 14. So what can we get here? We have 14 as the multiple there. 7 in 14, that's 2. 2 times 10, 2 times 5 is 10 minus 14 and 14, that's 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer is what? 7 over 14, which is what? 1 over 2. You didn't reduce your answer.
We're supposed to reduce it.
I've told you countless times that you must always reduce. In fact, we did a topic called reducing fractions. Okay, but no worries. I'm going to give you a mark now later on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5. So do the one correction, okay? All right, viewers, thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel. I said goodbye for now. We said 0.1 times 1 is 0.1. Then 0.1 times 5 is 0.5. 0.11 times 5 is 0.55. Now I said what is what?
Wait, I'll try,
I said 0.11 times.
0.22.
Wait. 0.11 times 0.11. You can say 11 times 11, right?
11 times 11.
That's 121, but not so soon, not so quick. You know, we can say 11 over 100 times 11 over 100, okay? This will be 121 over 10,000. And if you are dividing by, and if you're dividing by decimals, by multiples of 10, you just got to count some zeros at the front. So these are 3. You have
Okay, are we going into
0.0121.
decimal now?
And now I'm just giving you some multiplication drill, okay? So this will be the answer. What's the answer?
121.
No. The answer is what?
0.01.
Yeah, how did I get that? That was because I did 11 times 11 is 121, then 100 times 100 is 10,000. So if I put it under it, then I can have 1, 2, 3, 4. This, since there are 4 zeros, it means there are 4 digits after decimal, okay?
Okay.
Maybe we try one. Let's say, what is 0.2 times 0.2? All you need to do is 2 times 2, okay?
Okay.
2 times 2 is what? 4 over 100, which means there will be 2 digits after decimal. That's 0.04, okay?
Okay.
Then maybe we'll try another one. What about 0.3 times 0.3? What do you think? 3 times 3 is what? 9. So the answer should be 0.09, okay?
Okay.
Maybe we try um, 0.13 times 0.13. 13 times 13 is 169, right?
How did I do?
Yeah, you know 13 times 13 squared should be 169, okay?
Okay.
You know 12 squared is 144. So 13 squared is 169. And since I know that, and since you have 2 digits, that means there will be 4 digits after decimal, okay?
Okay.
That will be 0.0169. That's pretty simple trick to multiply decimals, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we can try one more. We know that 25 times 25 is 625, right? Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe we know, maybe we don't know, but that's it. So 0.25 times 0.25. So it's as good as multiplying 25 squared, which is 6 to 5. But because there are 4 digits, so there'll be a 0 here and then a point here. 4 digits after decimals, okay?
Okay.
All right, put them down.
What?
Yeah, write them down. There are not many. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Why don't you want decimal right away?
You said what? It's multiplication, not decimal. Sorry, it's decimal and multiplication. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna number it. I'll put yes, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and finally number 8. All right, that'll be it for now. Subscribe to the channel.